I have severe periodontal bone disease.
I had loosening of teeth. Some of them would fall out on their own. Some I pulled out on my own.
I've had thousands of dollars, worth of work done, but everything has been a temporary fix. I haven't found anything permanent.
Every patient that comes in has a unique story. They've had different experiences. They have different challenges. They have different needs and certainly different expectations.
The first one on this side fell out, and I went to the dentist, and God, I'm gonna cry. I was left with having to have them all pulled.
I had to clean up the wreckage of my past, and that meant over 20 years of not flossing and not brushing correctly.
I was not able to chew. I wasn't able to exercise. My teeth would chatter and kind of shake in my mouth. That's just how loose they were.
A lot of patients think if I'm not in pain, I can just continue to put it off. So if you wait, it's not only making you more unhealthy, but it's gonna make it ultimately more expensive. It's gonna make it more difficult.
For years, I let my teeth go. I was like, I'll do a temporary fix, I'll get a snap-on smile. And here my health was deteriorating the whole time.
Waiting isn't going to help the situation, and just trying to live with something is not going to help the situation. You have to act on it.
I was down for a long period of time because I knew that I wasn't happy. I knew I wasn't feeling okay. I knew there were health issues behind my oral care.
Before I had ClearChoice, I always covered up my mouth, especially when I ate or when I was talking to somebody. I was just like, I would cover it up because I was ashamed of what I look like.
And so it's up to me to earn our patients' trust, being able to make this a great dental experience for them so they feel comfortable receiving the care that they need.
This isn't cosmetic. It's not vanity. What it is, it's more than just teeth. It's about getting your life back.
You don't have to live like that, and I just wish I had known sooner that there was ClearChoice and that I did have another choice.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
We have nothing to lose by coming in to a consultation and allowing the experts to tell you where you're at, what we can do, and where we can get you to.
Place 4 implants on top, 4 on the bottom, leave here with a new smile.
That sounds awesome. I've been waiting a long time for this.